Can you verify your identity on Lyft? Well, the answer is yes, and here's how to do so. First, you want to simply open the Lyft application, and once you're inside the Lyft app, what you want to do is you want to click on accounts over here. And inside the accounts, you'd be able to see an option here called security. You want to simply tap on security. And inside the security, you'd be able to see this safety center over here. Once you're inside the safety center, you'd be able to see an option here called identity verification at the bottom of this screen. You want to simply tap on identity verification, and by doing so, you'd be able to follow the on-screen instructions like uploading any kinds of identification like driver's license or passport information. And by doing so, you'll be able to complete the verification process and wait for Lyft to review your information. And this is how you verify identity on Lyft. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.